the biggest explosion in the universe, and you would hear absolutely nothing. Sound is just vibrating air. You hit a drum, it pushes the air around it. Those waves travel to your ear, and your brain calls it music. Simple. But here's the problem. Space has almost no air, no atmosphere, no particles to push, so sound has nothing to travel through. The science. In space, matter is so spread out that individual molecules can be thousands of kilometers apart. A sound wave needs continuous particles, like a chain, to pass energy along. In the vacuum of space, that chain is broken. The wave just dies instantly. Deep space has roughly 1 atom per cubic meter. Earth's air, about 27 quintillion atoms per cubic centimeter. That's not just a little less, that's incomprehensibly more empty. Here's the twist. NASA actually recorded sound in space. Not sound like we know it, but pressure waves moving through hot gas between galaxies. Space isn't totally silent, it just speaks in a frequency no human could ever hear. So that supernova at the start? It exploded with more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime, and you wouldn't hear a single thing. Space doesn't care about your ears. So hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos. Goodbye.